Hi guys, welcome to another Java tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. In this Java tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run a Java application from a command line. First of all, you have to locate your project. You have to locate the folder where your project is saved. Open the project. Actually, this project was done using IntelliJ IDE. So this is the structure of an Java application done using IntelliJ IDE. This subfolder src is met in all Java applications regardless of the IDE used, regardless if you were used NetBeans, Eclipse or IntelliJ IDE. So mainly if you have done the application in IntelliJ IDE, you have two options to run a Java application using the command line. Either you use this folder src or this folder out. I'm going to start opening this subfolder src, and here is located the file which contains the source code. Go here and click inside this bar, and after this link was highlighted, type from your keyboard cmd and enter. Alright, and the path to this file which contains the source code, as you can see, is pasted here, is received here in command line. So this is a very efficient way to get straight to the file which contains the source code in Java. Also, you can use the Cortana to get the command prompt, typing in Cortana cmd and click on command prompt. But in this case, as you can see, you don't have the path to the file which contains the source code, and you have to use various DOS commands to get to this file, to this main.java file. So I suggest you to use the first way as I showed you, because it's more efficient in my opinion. Okay, so now here I'm going to write main, and I'm going to click enter. As you can see, I received an error. Main is not recognized as an internal or external command. Why this is happened? Because we have to run this file main into Java environment. So we have to type first Java, and what is the Java environment? It is that JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So you have to type first Java, and after you type main. If you click now on the enter key, you will receive again error. As you can see, could not find or load the main class. Why? Because you haven't used the Java extension. So we have to use the Java extension, that the main file to be run in command prompt. So I'm going to type again Java main.java, enter. And now, as you can see, the output was displayed. The Java application, this file main.java was run. As you can see, here is the output, hello IT.tutorials learn for free, which is the same as I have done here in IntelliJ IDE. I'm going to run this app, which is the same. As you can see, here is the output, which is the same. Hello IT.tutorials learn for free. What is another remark is the fact that this is not a sensitive case. As you can notice, I write the main with the letter M with a lowercase and not uppercase as it is here. Yeah. So again, this is not a sensitive case. All right. Another way to run a Java application from command line is using this subfolder out. Open the subfolder, production, first tab, click into this bar again, type cmd, enter, and here now let's type again Java main. Now here you are not bound to write the class extension. Type enter. Yeah, we received the error, could not find or load main class. Yeah, because now this main file with this extension class is a sensitive case. Yeah, so because we have written the main file with lowercase m, that's why we received error. So let me to type again Java, and now I'm going to write the main with uppercase m. We don't need to write the class extension. Enter, and now the app was executed. As you can see, here is the output, hello IT.tutorials learn for free. So that was all about running a Java application from command line. Hopefully you understand me. Hopefully I was clear, and this tutorial will help you with your Java learning. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.